I desperately need a haircut, don't you think? Or do I? Hey, what's up, beers and beers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beers and Stuff, and here with me, finally, I get to try this product. And you know, if you don't know, yes, you don't know, I've always wanted to try products from this brand, El Supremo, and I finally get to try them out. Not just one, not two, not three, but four. Yeah, that's four. Full product lineup. So the way I'm gonna do this review is one by one. I don't wanna compress it into just one video, so we can get a full analysis of each of the product. You know, the breakdown, the properties and characteristics, and all that kind of stuff. And watch out for future El Supremo pomade reviews. And this particular product have me skeptical. I was skeptical. Well, that's in terms of the hold. That's what I'm most concerned about. But anyway, we'll find that out in a second. And before anything else, first I just want to say thank you to Ed, the brewer of El Supremo, for sending me his full line of products for me to check out, review, share my thoughts about it, my recommendation and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's so cool. What I really meant to say is that I really appreciate the gesture. And once again, Ed, thanks, man. And before I move on, spoiler alert or disclaimer or whatever, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. So my opinions are mine and mine only, no outside influence or anything like that. So like I've said, this video is opinion based, like all of my other reviews, if you must know. Things aside, why don't I just show you El Supremo's full line of products. So let's start with Ilustrado, and we have Torment, and we have Vengeance, and for our review today we have CHERUB. Yeah, that's all you have to know for now.
Oh, you're so funny.
So I think it's time. Let's do this. Introducing El Supremo's CHERUB. So let's dive right into it. Looking at the product top side, depending on how you would describe it, I think the design, when you look at it, it's calm, it's peaceful, and all of El Supremo's designs are deeply connected to the brewer. And according to the brand, El Supremo CHERUB is a hard cream pomade that offers a medium firm hold with a natural shine. It is an easy wash type of pomade that you can get in this 70 grams black tub or puck with a Lacoste black signature inspired scent. And looking at the product flip side, you can see the remaining but important information about the product, such as the manufacturer, the hold and shine scale, the scent, the directions, cautionary measures, ingredients, expiration date, and no animal testing seal. Brewed in Imus, Cavite, Philippines. And based on those ingredients, you're probably wondering what DMDM hydrogen toin and neem oil is. So DMDM hydrogen toin is an odorless white crystalline substance that works as an antimicrobial agent and preservative in cosmetics and personal care products, while neem oil is extracted from the seed of a tropical neem tree, also known as Indian lilac. So neem oil has been in history has been widely used as a folk remedy and also known to treat many conditions. And neem oil has a very harsh odor. And with that said, yep, the scent in these, as you already know, is Lacoste black signature inspired scent. And with neem oil, let's check. So neem oil has a very harsh odor, but yeah, you can barely, you don't even smell it. Like there's nothing there. It's just the perfume scent. So anyway, like on my previous reviews, like I always say, I'm not really a fan of signature inspired scents, but it doesn't stop there. There are also exceptions, you know, how the product or the perfume is mixed together or put together, things like that. So with these, it's very mild. It has a light or white musk. It's some flowery or citrusy scent. Honestly, to say, I kind of like it. It goes well with the product. And looking inside the product, as you can see, it's very thick and creamy, and the color is cream too. And scooping out the product, it's very soft, it's buttery smooth, it's effortless, and on the hands, spreading it is very effortless. Like I said, it's buttery smooth, although it's thick and creamy, but you don't feel any tackiness or stickiness. So there you go, an overview to give you somehow an idea of what the product is all about. So next up, what I need to do is apply and style my hair. So why don't you check this out. So there you go, what I have here is freshly cleaned towel dried hair, although it's a little bit damp, just a tiny bit of moisture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go right ahead and scoop out the product. Good amount of scoop. Look at that. And spread it on your palms. Just like that, ever so slightly, not too much. Then apply. Scoop. Don't forget the back and the sides. And with this product, I'm gonna use this comb. So what I like about the product is basically almost everything about it. Just a little bit too much. The way it scoops out, spreadability, and the application, even though on bone dried hair, yeah, kind of. But overall, I would say that the product works for me, even though with the kind of hair that I have, thick, curly or wavy or whatever you want to call it, and unruly, and a lot of cowlicks here and there, especially at the back. Well, first time I tried it, I was really surprised because it's a medium firm hold, and I was very skeptic at first because I don't know how it will hold onto my hair. Would it be able to control it? Would the hold last throughout the day? And honestly, I was very surprised with the way the product has performed, and no wonder this is one of their best-selling variant. Yep, the CHERUB. So to make the story short, it's almost perfect in my opinion, but the only compromise for me is right after the first restyle. Yep, you're losing a little bit of control after the first restyling, and then after that, and the next one, and the next one, and you know, so on and so forth. So endurance, I think this will hold for about average or above average. That's like 6 to 8 hours of hold and control. That is if you don't restyle it or recomb it, but that's just what I do on a day-to-day basis. Like indoor type of setting. I don't know how it works outside or in the field. And the truth is, I'm really having fun using this product. Like the first time I wore the product, it feels like there's something whispering in my ear, like even though I didn't need any restyling or anything like that, it feels like you're compelled to use the restroom and comb your hair a bit. I don't know, it's crazy. I don't know if you have the same experience as mine. And the washout is pretty self-explanatory because it's indicated right here that it is an easy wash. Yeah, it's water-based, so water would do the trick. Maybe 80 to 90% or 95, depending on the type of hair too. With me, I needed to apply a round of shampoo to rid of or to wash out the entirety of the product that I used on my hair. So it still depends. And also in my theory, I think this would also work best as a pre-styler, dime-sized, applied to bone dry or damp hair, then blow dried. But I haven't tried it yet. Maybe soon I'll make a separate review or video about it. Just let me know in the comment section down below. So anyway, overall thoughts about El Supremo's CHERUB. Hard cream, even though I don't think it's a hard cream the way it scoops out, and that spreadability. I don't know what hard cream means because in my experience it's far from it, and you and I can all agree, right? I think El Supremo CHERUB is somehow an everybody's pomade, or if you're just starting out to use pomades, something like that, maybe you should I don't know, opt or maybe consider using this as your starting kit. So yes, in conclusion, I think, in my own opinion, that is, this is the best cream pomade that I have ever tried so far, El Supremo's CHERUB. And I can honestly say that El Supremo CHERUB is a true medium. And more to that, I think this will mostly work on everybody. And for you guys out there who already tried this, or maybe this is also one of your favorites, just leave your comment in the comment section down below regarding your experiences with the same product, CHERUB. And if you really like signature and designer inspired scents, this should probably be in your list. Don't forget about it. And I think that's probably it. That's my review of El Supremo's CHERUB Hard Cream Pomade. And if you think that I may have missed something, or I forgot to mention, or anything, or things like that, please don't hesitate to leave your comments in the comment section down below. Alright, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, thumbs up, yeah, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please turn on that post notification for the freshest updates whenever I get to upload a new video. Alright, right? Yeah. And that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next episode. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and you're watching Beers and Stuff.